Hello, you beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Or if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. We are so happy to have you. First of all, before we get started, if I sound weird, it's because I'm just coming off of a cold, so excuse my voice and excuse my congested stuffiness, if you will. I was gifted the Lavender collection from Camille, and of course I had to do a full wash day and style my hair so that I can come and tell you guys what I think about this line. I don't think that this line is brand new. I feel like it's been out for a while, if I'm not mistaken, but obviously I've never used it. So I was very excited to get my hands on these, and I used every single thing that I was sent. So if you guys are interested to see what I did and what I think, keep on watching. So first we have the Fresh Cleanse, which is a detangling and moisturizing hair cleanser. And then we have the Quench Deep Conditioner, which is a moisturizing hair mask. I used the shampoo, and I'm usually not a big fan of using different shampoos just because I feel like a lot of them strip my hair. This one did not strip my hair. This one cleansed my hair, which my hair gets really dirty. You guys know I talk about the product buildup I get, the dry scalp that I get a lot. The two things that I would say I was not really a fan of: one, the smell. This product has apple cider in it. To me, it smells like a mixture of apple cider vinegar and lavender. I don't know about you guys, but I am not a fan of the way apple cider vinegar smells, tastes, none of that. So to me, the smell was kind of off-putting. Of course, I kept using it because it was cleaning my hair like amazingly. So I'm like, well, whatever. I'm sure like by the time I'm done with my hair, it's not gonna be smelling like apple cider vinegar. The second thing was that it says it's a detangling and moisturizing hair cleanser. I personally was not able to detangle my hair as I was washing it with this shampoo or with this cleanser. And I normally don't detangle my hair as I shampoo anyway. But because it says that it's detangling, I was trying to, you know, finger detangle with the shampoo in it. And I'm just saying that I didn't really think it was detangling. Moisturizing hair cleanser, yes. Detangling, moisturizing hair cleanser, maybe not. But all that being said, I'm definitely gonna use this stuff until it's gone, and I might buy it again because it was amazing. Like, I really like the way my hair felt after I used it. My scalp felt clean. My hair didn't feel like, oh girl, you need to hurry up and put deep conditioner inside of me. And now we're gonna move on to the deep conditioner. And you guys know that I said recently I was gonna start trying a bunch of deep conditioners, and y'all, this stuff is the truth. This deep conditioner, it smells really good. I will say that it does have a thinner texture than I'm used to for a deep conditioner, which made me feel like I needed more, but I put the conditioner in 4 sections so that I can really work it through. I was able to finger detangle. I was able to detangle with my Tangle Teaser. I didn't have any issues. Rinsed it out. My hair was still feeling soft. So it definitely did what it was supposed to do. Left my hair moisturized. Left my hair feeling soft and bouncy. My curls were on point. I will be using this until it is gone. So now let's get into the fun stuff, the styling of my hair. So the line does come with 4 different styling products. You have your Shaken Hair Spritzer, which is a conditioning hair refresher and detangling spray. You have your Whipped Cream Leave-In, which is an intense moisturizing leave-in cream. You have your Curl Defining Gel, which is a lavender infused hair gel crafted for definition and extra hold. And then you have your Edge Glaze, which is a smoothing and conditioning edge gel. Once I finished washing my hair, I did have a towel on for maybe 2 hours, I want to say, just to soak up as much moisture as I can. Then when I went to style my hair, I didn't want my hair to be too dry. So I did go in with the Shaken Hair Spritzer to kind of refresh my hair. It did a good job. I did not need to use a lot, and you guys know I have a ton of hair, but a little goes a long way with this refresher, which is nice because, you know, it's a spray. You guys know I'm a cream girl. I don't really do the sprays because I feel like they don't do much for my hair. But I was pleasantly surprised with this spray. Will I use it again? I mean, if my hair seems dry and I need some sort of moisture to it and I don't want to add water, I probably will, but I don't think this was like a necessity. As far as it being detangling, my hair was already detangled, so I can't really say if it's detangling or not, but it did do a good job refreshing. I just don't feel like this is something I would go out and buy and say, ooh, I need to have this product. From there, I went in with the Whipped Cream Leave-In, and right off the bat, I already knew I was gonna like it just because I like the way whipped creams feel. Like, I know that they're thick, but they're still soft and fluffy in my hands, and I just love it. I definitely think this product would work a lot better on like wet hair. My hair was wet, but not like soaking wet, so like in some pieces it was kind of harder to work through, but I feel like a little will go a long way with this as well if your hair is wet, which is, I guess, good that they put the refresher in it so you can refresh your hair and then follow that up with the whipped cream leave-in. The only thing that I didn't like about this product is the packaging. I don't really like creams in a bottle. I would prefer if they were in a jar so I could just scoop it into my hand. This was really hard for me to keep doing this into my hand, to put it on my hair. It was just like too much. So Camille Rose, if you guys love me and care about me, please, please, please put this in a jar. Of course, from there, I went in with the Crush Defining Gel just because I knew I was gonna be doing perm rods and I wanted my hair to have some kind of hold. This stuff right here, I like this stuff. It was not a super thick gel, but definitely not lightweight. Like it says, definition and extra hold. I definitely think if I use this for a wash and go, my curls are gonna be popping, and that is actually gonna be my next test. I like to use products on like an actual style and on a wash and go just to see how it compares. As you guys can see right now, this is actually the next day I'm filming this. My hair is a little frizzy, especially this piece right here, and that's only because it didn't dry all the way. I had somewhere to go, so I couldn't let the perm rod sit in my hair as long as I normally would. But if my hair was 100% dry, I guarantee you there will be zero frizz in this head of mine, and that would most likely be because of the mixture of this gel and that leave-in conditioner. That being said, all of the styling products, they smell the exact same and they smell wonderful, like lavender, but not like a perfumey kind of lavender. Like they literally smell like the way actual lavender smells.
You if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. You if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Dance, 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 baby. Dance, 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 baby.
Once my hair was actually styled, I did go in with the edge control and just lay my edges, but I don't know, I didn't really do too much. I do think that this edge control has really good hold because I went to sleep and woke up and my edges were still in place, which I'm not used to because I'm usually like pulling my headscarf or my satin cap down throughout the night. But the edge control feels soft in your hand. You wouldn't think that it would have as good a hold as it does. So that was a pleasant surprise. I'm definitely gonna be using this stuff. Overall, I was like really impressed with the line as a whole. Like I said, the only thing that I feel like is probably not necessary for my routine is the hair spritzer. Everything else I would definitely continue to buy or continue to use. And shoot, honestly, I'm gonna use the spritzer while I have it because it's like, why not? It didn't suck. It wasn't a bad product. It was just that, you know, if it came down to it, I would probably just use my water bottle that I always have on hand. So thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, if you've tried these products, let us know what you thought of them in the comments. Since you're here, I went ahead and put it on the screen for you to subscribe, check out another video, so go ahead and do that because I put it right here for you, you know.